Everywhere you go, people come up and say, wow, what's this? I use it every day, it's my daily drive, and I really like off-roading. It combines the two together, it's really cool. 2 for 1, happy life.
New Zealand, home to epic scenery, breathtaking beaches, and a truly awesome 2-car mashup.
This is my Morris Minor Traveller, Woody.
On first glance, Woody may look like a 1950s British Motor Corporation classic. But this car is a wolf in sheep's clothing.
Once you get underneath it, it's a Suzuki Vitara. It's cool, it's an awesome 4-wheel drive, and it's practical. I've always wanted one of those big American Woodies, but I could never afford one. And I saw the little Morris Minor Traveller go down the road one day and I thought, that would be cool. And I already had the 4-wheel drive Suzuki, so then I came up with this brilliant idea to put them together.
Brilliant indeed. Tell us how you did it.
Get your pens and paper out, we're going to go through some details. I ended up buying a 2-door Morris, and then I found a second Traveller chassis and roof. We made moulds of the roof and the side panels. We made them out of carbon. It's got a carbon fibre roof and carbon fibre panels. I was a bit worried about the wood creaking when we were going off-roading, so we put these 2 roll bars in here inside. There's a whole lot of bits added together and running gear of a Suzuki Vitara 4-wheel drive with a Morris Minor Traveller stuck on top. 2 for 1, happy life.
And this unique machine must be worth a few bucks.
To be honest, I probably don't actually have a number for it, but half of it my business paid for it, half of it I paid for it. So my business partner doesn't know how much it costs and neither does my wife. So everybody's sort of reasonably happy.
For Shane, this combo is the best of 2 worlds.
I use it every day. I take it to work, I take it down to get a coffee, pick up the groceries, and then it takes me back to work on Monday, which is a bit of a downer. It's just a all-purpose, do anything, do everything. Pick the groceries up, go extreme 4-wheel driving in the same day. Don't have to change vehicles. Easy. This Morris takes me to all my adventure sports I want to do: mountain biking, kite surfing, paddleboarding, fishing.
While this vehicle's a fun everyday driver, it's most at home off-road.
Really, it's a gnarly 4-wheel driving beast. It drives like a Suzuki Vitara, strangely enough, except it's got this big steering wheel with this really cool horn. Most people that see it, they think it's pretty cool. They like taking selfies with it. They talk to me, ask me lots of questions about it. I really like hanging out at the beach. I really like off-roading. It combines the two together. It's really cool. Everywhere you go, people come up and say, wow, what's this? The most memorable incident I had was a big chap come staunching over to me and said, is this yours, bro? And I said, yeah. And he said, it's a mean-ass whacker, bro.
And you can't argue with that.